Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended the concluding day of the 4th Organic Youth Summit at Courtyard Marriot, Shillong, where the first Northeast India Organic Week-cum-Buyer seller meet was also held. Addressing participants, the Chief Minister said the government's programs and policies were centered on supporting and uplifting farmers, adding that the spirit of learning, sharing and helping farmers would continue beyond the 3-day summit. He noted that farmers remained a key priority under various mission mode initiatives in agriculture and allied sectors. Speaking on the state's organic mission, he said organic farming was rooted in traditional knowledge and age-old practices, not merely a modern concept. He emphasized agriculture, tourism and the service sector as government priorities, highlighting efforts to link organic farming with tourism and entrepreneurship. Expressing satisfaction that the summit was hosted in Shillong, he said he hoped it would serve as a platform for sharing indigenous practices with the world and for building long-term relationships and networks. The Chief Minister later interacted with international participants who sought insights into the state's vision, use of technology and logistical support for young organic entrepreneurs. The Organic Meghalaya Compendium and the Magnolia website were also released during the event.
That's not the one I have. It's a bit dead by now. This is the other one. Thank you.
Number one, it's about our farmers, it's about our forefathers, it's about our traditions, it's about how our people used to farm and have been farming for centuries. And whereas there have been technologies and scientific studies being done on how to increase production in other parts of the world, as was mentioned by Isa, our people did not get hooked onto that. Somehow we missed it out, we were left out. Whatever happened, we didn't become part of it. But looking back, maybe it was a blessing in disguise. And we kept on with our traditions. So therefore, number one, it's about our traditions and about our culture. It's about our farmers, but it's about our tradition and our culture, the way we farm, what we used to grow, how our forefathers used to grow. So really it's about celebrating that, being proud of who we are, what we are, our culture, and now being able to share this culture, share this practice with the rest of the world, and to show to them how our forefathers and our cultures knew what a lot of scientists maybe did not know or did not realize. Today, organic farming, natural farming are buzzwords, but these are practices which have been there in many parts of the Northeast region. So I'm not saying Meghalaya alone, I'm telling the whole of Northeast. There is huge knowledge that is waiting to be shared with the rest of the world. And so this entire process of having this organic mission is part of that process to share this knowledge, this tradition, this culture of ours with the rest of the world. And while we do that, we are able to help our farmers. And while we do that, obviously it's going to have a huge impact on the overall health of our society, of our state, of our country, of our world. And of course, I'm sure that is also a very, very important part of your mission that you are here for.